Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. I just got back from a long trip. I've been in Florida visiting with my family, and my husband and I just got back to our house in Louisiana, and I'm going through the mail, and look what came while I was gone. My fall beachly, finally. I say finally because it was supposed to have come long before I left. I was really excited to get it and wear some of the things that are in here, but it took forever. In fact, they lost my package. Anyway, I was not happy, but I am eager to see what's in here because so far the boxes I've gotten, I like what's in it. The shipping though, Beachly, you need to get a new shipping company. Anyway, let's open this up and see what's inside. And here we go. Here's everything. I'll have to say, I do like how they packaged everything. I really like this box. It's very sturdy. And let's see, we got all kinds of fun things in here. When we found out that my package was lost, they were getting ready to fill in another one, and a couple of things that I had in this I was not going to be able to get, and I was so disappointed. I'm really glad they found my box. The first thing we have here is this little, I think it's a ceramic tile sign on beach time. Love it. They wrapped it in bubble wrap so it wouldn't break. This is going to be really nice sitting on my mantle in my living room. All right. This, I think, actually was a surprise. In one category, I just said, surprise me. And I got this nightlight. I'm kind of glad it's the nightlight. The only thing is, my sister, she did an unboxing over on her channel, Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Pally, and her light was broken, and I saw somebody else open this and their light was broken. So it'd be interesting to see if my light's broken. Hopefully not. All right, let's see. This would have been really nice on my trip I just got back from. I had to get a night light. I could have used this. And it doesn't look like it's broken. So that's good. I think what was broken for my sisters was this right here was just off. And so she had to glue it back. So it wasn't that big of a break. This is pretty substantial though. Oh, I'm going to really like this. This is going in my bathroom for sure. Let's see. Let's get a better look at the box. All right, the next thing are these bags. And they're for going grocery shopping. And put your produce in them. Or these actually would be good to take to the beach. All right, here they are. They're not as big as I thought they were going to be. But this would be nice to maybe throw your lunch in. Like I said, you could put your produce in when you go to the store. Maybe, I don't know, is it big enough to put a towel in or some beach stuff? Maybe not. I don't know if I would now. Now I look at it, I wouldn't want this to get caught on something. I love the colors. I'm a huge yellow fan, and I like coral, so these are really pretty. And yeah, I'm sitting on my bed. All right, the next thing is this t-shirt, and I think I'm going to want to wear this tomorrow. You are exactly where you are meant to be. That's really interesting. I kind of needed to hear that right now. All right, let's open it up. All right, this is so soft. Oh, I really like it. I got a medium. I normally wear a medium. I think I got a medium. Yeah, I normally wear a medium. I think it seems like it's a little oversized. It seems short though, so it'll be interesting to see how I like the fit. You're exactly where you are meant to be. I'm going to read that. There that is. Organic. Okay, this must be organic. Yeah, organic cotton it looks like. A vacation state of mind. Yeah, I wanted to wear this on my little vacation. Oh well. Now this I'm really excited about too. It's a sweatshirt. Like I said, I normally get a medium, but I got a large in this because I'm going to probably wear it over a t-shirt or maybe some thicker shirts for the winter. I live in Louisiana, and yeah, it gets a little cold here, but not like really, really cold. And this might wind up being my winter jacket, along with maybe a long sleeve shirt or whatever. This actually was something that I've had my eye on for quite some time, and I was actually happy to see it available as a choice. Oh, this is so soft. I don't know if you can see how the fabric is. It's very soft and fuzzy. Rhythm. Let's see what the other side looks like. Okay, so you have that on the back. Honestly, I'm glad I got a large. This seems to be kind of small. I don't know. Maybe not. I'll put it on and see. But when I look at it, it seems to be kind of a small large. All right. This is the star of the show. I am really excited about this. All right, it is a nice cardigan. And I got a medium. Look at the colors. Aren't they pretty? And in the back, what do we have? I think it says Hello Sunshine. Yep, Hello Sunshine, which I tend to say that quite a bit. Oh, I'm excited to try all this stuff on. Here's my haul. I am actually going to try these on tomorrow. It's nighttime and it's kind of dark outside, so I really can't get any good pictures. But there's the unboxing, and I'll continue this video here tomorrow by trying all this stuff on. All right, I was just getting ready to head out today, and I thought I would try on the shirts, the tops that I got, and show you what they look like. I'm going to wear this today. I like the way it fits. It is a little oversized here. I mean, the seam comes down to here, which is fine. I like them like that. And let's see if I can get this. And it's a little short, which I like this length. It doesn't come way down here. So this fits really good. It is a true medium, a little bit oversized if you like that though. I don't know if I would go down a size if you don't like that though, because then I think it would be too tight. All right, now let me check. Let me try on the sweatshirt. I have the sweatshirt on. This is large. I have it on over this shirt. It is, I think it's more of a medium. Got pockets like that. It's nice and soft, but it is definitely not a large. It's more a medium size. Let's see. I'm trying to find the seams. Okay, so the seams kind of go like here. So they're not like regular seams. Has a little hoodie. All right, now for the sweater. All right. Now put the sweater over the hoodie, which is over the t-shirt. And this is definitely oversized. I really like this. Let's see if I can get this. I don't really have the best videotaping here. Sorry about that. But I do like this sweater. It would be good to wear with jeans. Not sure if I'd wear it with dresses or skirts or anything. I don't think it's that dressy. But it is nice and it's very, very soft. And am I happy with everything I got? Yes, I'm happy with it all. Is it worth what they say? For example.
See that? This is the You Are My Sunshine sweater, the cardigan. I would never pay anywhere near that. Is it worth $128? No.
Okay, so $128, that is a really expensive sweater. It's good quality. I like the sweater, nice fit, nice and warm, but in my opinion, it's not worth $128. I would never pay that. So I think they say that this box is worth about $300. For those items I got, I don't think it's worth $300. Now, is it worth what I paid for it, which I believe is roughly $100? I'll put all that information down in the description box below. Is it worth that? Yeah, it is. And it's actually a fun little thing to get, like a little gift to yourself every month. So I look forward to the next box coming up here in probably in about, see, we're in the end of October, so I think it's December I'll be getting the next month. Hopefully I will not have the shipping issues I had with my previous boxes. And I know I'm not the only one having those issues. So I really hope that Beachly starts using a different shipping company, because if it wasn't for that, I would be 100% pleased with everything. Anyway, if you are interested in getting Beachly, I do have information down in the description box below. And I do think I have a coupon code. I can't remember if that's still effective, but I'll put all that in the information for you down there. If you are interested, let me know which thing I got is your favorite. And if you get Beachly, I would like your opinion on everything about it. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.